Money. In money, we are going to look at compound interest. Let's note that compound interest is slightly different from simple interest in that in compound interest, the money that is put in the bank or withdrawn from the bank accumulates the interest and is not withdrawn at any time until the end of specified period. Now, and the formula that is used is just the same as that of simple interest. Let's take this example. What compound interest is earned if 1,000 shillings was put in the bank at the rate of 20% per annum and the money is withdrawn at the end of 2 years? Now, what we are going to do here, to get our interest, we first of all note that we have 2 years and therefore our interest is going to accumulate every year. So what we do, we calculate the interest for the first year. So first year, our interest is going to be the principal, which is the money put in the bank, and here we have 1,000 shillings, multiply by the rate that comes every year, that is 20% or 20 out of 100. Then we are not going to multiply by 2 years because our interest is accumulated on a yearly basis. Therefore, we are going to multiply by 1 year. Now, let's simplify out this and see the interest we have got after 1 year. So by 101, by 110. So what is our interest? Our interest is 200 shillings. This is the interest we get after 1 year. We move to the second year, but before we start calculating on the interest for the second year, we take the 200 shillings that we accumulated in the first year, we add to our interest, not our interest, we add to our original amount of money that was put in the bank, that is 1,000 shillings. And what do we get? We get 1,200. This becomes our new principal. Now, you say to get the interest, you say the principal 1,200 now, multiply by the rate, which is 20%, that is out of 100, and then you multiply by now the second year, that's another year. You simplify this by 101, by 112, and what is 12 times 20? That is 240. This is now the interest that is gained at the end of that year. Now, to get the total interest, because the question was asking about what compound interest, so the total interest earned at the beginning of the year and then now the second year, this will be 200 added to 240 and the total will be 440 shillings. This becomes our interest, compound interest.